Hello everyone, this is Dr. O. Today I will show you how to download clean, ready-to-use stock price data in Python using yFinance or YF library. I will grab single and multiple tickers, do quick checks, and make a simple plot. Let's start. Okay, yFinance is a great tool if you want to analyze financial markets, test trading strategies, or just keep track of your favorite companies. First, we'll import yFinance library. If you don't already have it installed, you can install it via pip install yFinance. So don't forget to put the exclamation mark and run it. Once you get it installed, and then you can import the yFinance library as follows. Okay. Now, we need to pick a stock ticker symbol. For example, let's download Apple stock price data, which has the ticker symbol AAPL. So what I'm going to do is I will just write the ticker. Let's define the data range. So I defined the start date and end date. Now, yFinance has a handy function called download that lets us pull the historical data. We just give it the ticker, the start date and end dates, and it will return a pandas data frame with open, high, low, close, volume, and adjusted close prices as follows. Now, if you run this block, you download the stock prices. Now, let's take a quick look at the first few rows as follows. And that's it. We just downloaded historical stock price data using Python. As you can see, this code gave us 5 data columns and an index column, which is the date column. First column is the date, it is the index, and then close, high, low, open, and volume. Now we can even take a look at the information about the columns. So if you run this code, it shows that your close, high, low, and open columns are float data. Last column, the volume columns in integer data. We also have date as the date index here. Okay, so if you don't want to see all these columns but use close prices for analyzing purposes, what you can do is you can copy this row, this code, paste it here. At the end, you can add the close column name only. And then you can take a look at first few rows. You will see that you only will have close prices for analyzing purposes. If you want to download more than one stock prices, what you need to do is add their names and tickers as follows. So this code shows us the close prices of 3 different stocks, Apple, Google, and Microsoft. We can take a look if there's any missing values. So this shows that none of the data columns is missing. Let's take a look at the descriptive statistics of the stock prices. So let's take a look at the one with the multiple stock prices, which is df yahoo underscore mult dot describe gives us the descriptive statistics. As you can see, it gives us 3 columns, the first of which is Apple's descriptive statistics, second one is Google's, and the last one is Microsoft's. Let's take a look at a quick visualization here. What we need to do is we need to import a library, which is a PLT library from matplotlib. So now we imported the PLT library, and then what you need to do is to run the following code to visualize Apple stock prices. Okay, so this visualizes the Apple stock prices, and this concludes my video here. So this method works for any ticker symbol, and it's a great way to quickly access market data for analysis or backtesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.